Hey guys, it's Sejal. So whenever I think of new video ideas or look at your requests, one thing that pops up is, hey Sejal, can you tell us how to style jeans? Now all of us have this one basic pair of skinny jeans which we may find boring from day to day, but trust me, there are so many ways to make it look different and stylish. So I thought I'd finally take your request and make that video today. So if you guys enjoy, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, the bell button, comment below, and yeah, I make videos about fashion, lifestyle, music and travel every week, and let's get started. Look One is an Indo-Western outfit for college. I think Indo-Western in general is such a great invention, and especially long kurtas like this look great with cropped jeans, and a chicken kurta is just such a nice way to look elegant, be comfortable and look stylish. Option 2 for college is my favorite way to dress. I love the combination of sneakers and a loose graphic t-shirt with jeans. The loose graphic t-shirt is awesome because it's hell comfortable, you don't have to worry about तुमने कितना खाया है, and to keep the school look going, I paired it with this smart black bag and hoops. Yes, you can wear a dress with jeans. I would cringe at this combination earlier, but I think if you find the right dress, one that cinches at your waist, is decently loose, I think it looks awesome. And if paired with the right accessories like these espadrilles and these gold frame glasses, I think this is a really casual and cool look for college, and also doesn't break any dress codes. Yes, jeans can be formal too. So if you pair it with a nice smart blouse like this one, which is probably white, has a nice pattern, has a nice slinky fit. I've also buttoned it up, put my hair up in a bun with small earrings and nice elegant heels. You can achieve a really smart formal look. Corporate office, this is what I would wear on a Friday. I know y'all are allowed to wear jeans on Fridays, but I think you can still make it look a little bit formal but different by pairing it with a blouse and a blazer of a light pastel color like this one. I think it just looks really elegant, but also you're not too far away from being formal. You have to head out somewhere right after office. I actually took the blouse from the last outfit, opened up the buttons slightly, I'm wearing a bralette inside, paired it with dainty gold jewelry, added a smart bag, and paired it with my favorite maroon color heels. This is a cute little casual look for something as simple as a movie. I love the combination of a basic tight t-shirt with a loose camisole like this. It's comfortable, keeps you covered and makes you look really trendy. And to keep this sporty kind of look going, I paired it with my white sneakers, hoops and kept my head up. This is how you can take your very basic boring jeans and make them look extremely fancy for a fancy ass event that you may have to go to. I started off with this yellow trench which is so stunning and so eye-catching, and with that, to keep everything else very simple, I paired it with a black bodysuit, the same smart bag from before, and big hoops and black heels. This is a slightly more dressed up version of a daytime look. Now denim on denim, I know it may make you feel like an idiot the first few times, but trust me, try it. It's honestly the easiest way to look very trendy. You just need basics. A very basic pair of black skinny jeans, a very basic denim jacket, and pair it with very simple things like I paired it with a white camisole here, basic gold hoops, a simple bag and sunglasses. Super easy and will make you look extremely trendy. The appropriate for a day out shopping. I love pairing these baby doll cut tops with these jeans because I think the loose top balances out the tightness in the jeans. And I've added a pop of color with this really interesting yellow bag. And for accessories, I just chose my summer espadrilles. I think they look great for a day out kind of look. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you did. Also leave a comment below about what videos you want to see next. I'm planning to do a lot of college videos, so if you have any specific requests, let me know and I'll get back to you with those videos. And I'll see you soon. Bye!